My friends, see, this is the technique whereby you can learn that body में क्या गड़बड़ है. So now tomorrow morning when you get up, right, do this technique and see, you will get the complete picture of the day. क्या body में क्या तकलीफ है, क्या आने वाला है. Now see, if you see your ear every day for about 10 days, then you understand the sound. Any change in the sound will lead you or will guide you that today's alarming condition, be aware. So now see, for example, you feel there is a change in the voice, then don't go to home by house and eat gulab jamun on that day. My friends, this technique is very helpful, very interesting, but unless until you follow every day, because everything needs practice. Any question? Yes, sir. Huh? Yes. See, in advance you come to know. Today we have done, see, because your body react. Now see, today you reacted something, right? You will develop anger on me because I came late 10 minutes. Now this thing has registered your subconscious mind and you have not removed it. And see, 10 minutes late coming has changed your breathing pattern, because you will think, I have received a mail, reach here by 3:30. Right? My Churchgate fare, it was 225, so I hired a cab. I spent 14 rupees to reach here, and why this fare can come? So all these things create a imbalance or a toxin in our body. Okay? Or sometimes you have anger, something, now you are going to catch a bus, something happened, or you are crossing the road, एक टैक्सी वाला के आपको भगाया horn मार के, all these things accumulate throughout the day. Or you have some unwanted thought about your family, कुछ भी हुआ. These all things comes in the body. So this technique, if you do morning and night before going to bed, will guide you कि क्या करना है, कल सुबह क्या प्रॉब्लम आने वाला है. Now suddenly when you get, you are okay today, suddenly tomorrow morning when you get up and you feel that always you are excused. Now suddenly, where were we? Now see, if the sound is different in the evening, right, then you know that क्या गड़बड़ किया है. So tomorrow morning you correct it, or probably if you feel, then you think कि क्या गड़बड़ किया है. ठीक है? Now suddenly you remember, yes, आज मैंने पाव भाजी खाया था. So sound is different. So take the medicine which will not lead you tomorrow for indigestion, gastric and all those things. ठीक है? More and more you do practical, more and more you learn. चलो आगे. Any question? You are asking something, na?
The same thing
Okay. Okay. Comfortable? Convinced? I'll try my level best to give you the logical and practical answer, right? But after all, I'm also a human being. Then if there is any lapse, mistake, then I have to forgive and forget. चलो आगे. Right? Come on, smile please. Smile. देखा, see how beautiful vast smiles. That is a real smile. Okay. Now see, most of the disease comes to our body because of stress, and then very competitive and commercial environment create a problem for the heart and liver. Now my friend, if you feel that you are a lot of facing commercial competitions, commercial problem, right, and stress because of commercial environment, then that is a prone to heart attack and liver. Now what to do about that? Now the moment you feel that there is a lot of stress because of some commercial activity, then take your both the hand. Come on, do the experiment. Now you imagine some situation. ठीक है? यहाँ पे कोई शेयर बाजार वाला है क्या? Anybody from share market? Or now, for example, you imagine a story, right, where you had suffered some problem during your share market, up and down. Now this type of situation, okay, now the moment you visualize that, your heart functioning will start palpitating, because heart has its own memory. ठीक है? देखें, 10 साल के पहला किसी आदमी कुछ किया, आदमी आप के उसने मेरे को धोखा दे, मेरे हार्ट में बहुत धक्का लगा. ठीक है? एक गर्लफ्रेंड भाग गई, दोनों का शादी हो गया, you also got another beautiful, got married, nothing, but even though when you see that girl, that girl has troubled my heart. That's the reason that why he's bachelor. Right? Now friend, this situation, information is stored, because heart and every body organ is a living organ. every body organ has a brain and memory, right? So that memory is still there, and that memory might trouble you when some heart become weak. So any situation come there, and keep your hand here, and now remember that situation and see the heartbeats, and then do the experiment and see what changes you feel. Okay? Now change. Huh? Could you imagine? Now change. Close your eyes and look at here what I'm doing. Look at here first. This is the heart in my hand. I'm twisting it, squeezing. Do this 3 times. Squeeze karo. Squeezing, you are removing the toxin which is stored in that and making it free flow of energy. The moment you do this, the energy flow will start, and this will tremendously help you to recover or to recycle. Good? Chalo aage. Everybody comfortable? Anybody angry or hungry? I am both. Okay. Now, any commercial environment will create a problem for heart and liver. Now, the same way you can treat your liver also. Okay? Liver, keep your hand and twist liver. Twist it. So, twisting means क्या होता है? देखें, you wash your clothes sometime, right? तो पानी को स्क्वीज करते हो तो पानी निकलता है, गंदा पानी निकल जाता है. ठीक है? Then again you put in the clear water. उसको दबा के वापस करेंगे. Why? Because you want to remove the accumulated garbage. So this is a simple technique. The same way you squeeze your towel or your clothes, the same way you can do with your body organ. Now, my friend, I'm so sorry to tell you, the doctor who has taught us this is passed away. The doctor who taught us this technique is passed away in last 25th of March. He was a very nice person. We have learned many things from him. Very, very genius. Okay, now, any problem related to scientific and technological advancement, it created a many problems. Polluted air, that's a lung related problem. Now today, how many patients you get for asthma, cough, cold, right? Now remember a very simple technique for a asthma patient. We'll talk about asthma patient. Common complaint about lungs, cold, right? Now for all cold related problem and cough, you should take Kali Miri, Tulsi and honey. Kali Miri, Tulsi and honey. It's a good combination for all cold related things. Second thing, for all cold thing, if your nose is blocked, you cannot breathe in, breathe out, and you feel the patient not an asthmatic patient, then take one black paper. Kala Miri le lo, usko burn karo and inhale smoke. Immediately your nose block will get cleared off. काली मिर्च को ले लो, उसको पिन में दबा दो, then light it up. उसका जो smoke होगा ना, smoke inhale करो. Now next time you could have a few units of काली मिर्च in your purse, in your pouch. कहीं भी बंद हो गया, matchstick ले लो, कर लो. Immediately your nose will open. कुछ दूसरा करने का जरूरत नहीं. Burning and inhale the smoke. This will help you. Now, if you feel that you cannot breathe your nose is blocked, night is suffocation, then you can take Lycopodium 1 mg 1 dose. Lycopodium 1 mg 1 dose will help you to release the nose block. Now, even if you feel your nose is still blocked, then take a rubber band. Take one rubber band and tie up in these 2 fingers for half a minute to 1 minute, not more than 1 minute. More than 1 minute will have anesthesia effect. Then another technique for removing the cough and cold in this chest, accumulated cough, just take your 2 fingers and press this region, press. Now see, inhale, exhale and press, inhale, exhale. See the difference. Now first you do inhale and exhale and see how best you can do, right? And press now and do inhale and exhale, see the difference. First you inhale and exhale both, then press and inhale and exhale, right? And then release and again do this and see the difference at the 3 different levels.